Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the captivating world of UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and we have a fascinating one to discuss: the ancient temple complex of Wat Phou, nestled in the stunning landscapes of Laos. If you're as big a fan of historical sites as I am, then you're in for a real treat today. Now, imagine with me for a moment, what if we had the chance to explore Wat Phou and discuss how it could be upgraded for future generations to enjoy? Exciting, right? So, let's jump right in. Before we delve into the upgrades, let me give you a quick overview of Wat Phou's historical significance. This temple complex, dating back to the 5th century, was once a part of the mighty Khmer Empire and served as a center for worship. Its intricate architecture and spiritual importance make it a true gem in Southeast Asia. However, as time passes and visitor expectations evolve, it becomes necessary to consider how to enhance the experience while preserving the site's authenticity. First and foremost, let's address accessibility. Currently, reaching Wat Phou can be a bit challenging, often involving long journeys over uneven terrain. By improving accessibility through better transportation infrastructure, visitors from all walks of life can have the opportunity to explore and appreciate this historical wonder. Building well-paved roads and perhaps considering shuttle services in collaboration with local communities would be a great start towards making Wat Phou more accessible. Now, let's shift our focus to visitor amenities. As much as we love immersing ourselves in history, we also appreciate basic conveniences during our travels. By creating visitor centers at strategic points throughout the site, we can provide tourists with useful information, maps, and even audio guides to enhance their understanding of Wat Phou's rich history. Additionally, the centers could offer clean restrooms, drinking water stations, and even small cafes where visitors can relax and rejuvenate before continuing their exploration. To further enrich the visitor experience, it would be fantastic to introduce interactive elements that bring the stories of Wat Phou to life. For example, incorporating augmented reality (AR) kiosks that allow visitors to see 3D renderings of the ancient structures or visualize how the site may have looked in its glory days could ignite a whole new level of fascination. This would not only captivate tourists but also aid in their understanding of the historical and cultural significance of Wat Phou. Now, let's talk about sustainability, a topic close to all of our hearts. As Wat Phou is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, preserving its authenticity and protecting the surrounding environment is of utmost importance. Implementing eco-friendly measures, such as solar-powered lighting along pathways and limiting the use of non-biodegradable materials, will ensure that we minimize our impact on the delicate ecosystem surrounding the temple complex. Additionally, encouraging responsible tourism practices, like waste management programs and the promotion of local artisans, will provide economic benefits to the local community. As we continue to discuss upgrades, let's turn our attention to educational initiatives. Wat Phou's ancient history holds immense educational value, and it would be fantastic to establish partnerships with educational institutions to offer workshops, seminars, and even field trips to the site. These programs could provide unique opportunities for students and researchers to study the historical significance of Wat Phou up close. By fostering a learning environment, we can ensure that the knowledge and appreciation of this remarkable site are passed on to future generations. Lastly, let's not forget the power of social media and digital storytelling. A strong online presence can bring Wat Phou to a global audience and inspire wanderlust in individuals who may have never heard of this treasure. By collaborating with local content creators, photographers, and videographers, we can showcase the beauty and historical significance of Wat Phou through visually captivating videos, drone shots, and interactive storytelling experiences. A strong YouTube presence, complete with engaging vlogs and interactive discussions, would definitely enhance the site's popularity and encourage more people to visit. So, my fellow adventurers, can you imagine the possibilities for an upgraded Wat Phou? A blend of accessibility, visitor amenities, interactive experiences, sustainability, education, and digital storytelling could transform this ancient UNESCO World Heritage Site into a true modern marvel. Remember, it's essential to strike a balance between preservation and evolution, ensuring that future generations can not only witness the grandeur of Wat Phou but also appreciate its significance in the tapestry of human history. Together, let's imagine, explore, and protect the wonders of our world.